What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to taste test exotic glowing scorpions and it says edible. That's so weird. Look, they even give me a black light with this thing. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Alright, there goes nothing. There's my scorpions. Wow, there's actual stinner in here. I'm gonna take that off. I'm not gonna eat a stinner. I wanna choke or something. So let's turn off the light and see if it actually glows. Wow, they actually do glow. That's crazy. They're quite bright. Let me put it in my hand and we're going to taste test them after this. So I guess this is how you can check if there's any scorpions in your bed and such. That is pretty crazy because they're so tiny you cannot see them. But they're quite glowy. That's pretty amazing. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's eat one in a black light on. Salty, wow. That actually tastes very delicious. I can't believe it. Ooh, aftertaste is not so good. Tastes very stale. Ugh. Okay, let's try the tail without the stinner. It tastes very good, highly salty. Tastes like семечки, except aftertaste is burnt. Especially on those bigger pieces. Let's do another bite. This one is juicy. Yeah, very good in the beginning. But aftertaste is so stale. I don't think it's actually stale. It's just that bad flavor to it, I guess. Even though they try to cover it up with salt, very much so. Look at that. There's another scorpion. Let me show it to you in daylight. Camera kinda doesn't pick up, but I mean from that angle it's pretty good. You can see all these glowing spots in the black light. Okay, this one not as juicy and tastes way better. And there's a claw. I mean, in a way it's like eating a crawfish or something, or a lobster. So it's not that crazy. But yeah, the idea of it, it's a scorpion, so it's kind of scary. But it's well cooked. Almost like chips, but highly salted, and some of them way more chewy than chips, but very unique. I wouldn't eat it every day though, kind of strange.